attention for those customers on that the flight number 1444 service Atlanta out of gate B74. Just a reminder, we do board by zone. We first gonna pre-board for those who need extra time, followed by our active duty West Military Service member. Please have your ID as you approach the boarding podium. Then we invite our Delta 360 members. Zone 1 to 4 will be using an air sky prayer lane, and zone 5 to 8 will be using a general boarding lane. Please take a moment to allocate your boarding zone right under your seat number or next to your seat number. If you are using a digital, please only board once your boarding zone is called. Please do not crowd the boarding area unless it is your boarding zone. Once again, we first gonna pre-board. Thank you.